Finding the perfect ride may seem daunting, but fear not, we've compiled the top 8 beginner motorcycles that will have you saying hello to the two-wheeled lifestyle. At number 8, we have the Kawasaki 650 Vulcan. While it may be the largest bike on the list, the 650 Vulcan sits as a perfect entry bike for someone looking to get into bigger cruisers. Some people aren't a fan of its modern looks, while others love its blend of aggressive sport bike style and cruiser comfort. Forward foot controls may not be the easiest position for beginners at first, but the added comfort makes it a pleasure to learn on. And with its 61 horsepower engine, you have some room to grow with this ride. Zooming in at number 7 is the Honda Rebel 300. Honda Rebels of all sizes have a long history of getting new riders on the road, and since 2017, the 300 has been the modern go-to. Packed with new upgrades like disc brakes with ABS and a liquid-cooled 286cc engine, it ensures superb control for all riders of all levels. With its low seat height and balanced design, the Rebel 300 is perfect for learning the ropes. Let's keep it simple with number 6, the Yamaha V-Star 250, an embodiment of the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The V-Star claims a unique position as the only V-twin 250 on the market. This classic-looking ride features an air-cooled carbureted 249cc engine, pumping out 21 horsepower. It may seem a bit dated with the carb setup, but the V-Star 250 provides a no-frills, stripped-down option for riders, which keeps its price low at $4,699. Sometimes the best starter bike is the one that you can afford. At number 5, we have the Kawasaki KLX 300 Dual Sport, perfect for both on- and off-road adventures. The smooth clutch and balanced motor provide a forgiving learning experience for new riders. And with the price of $5,899, this bike is not far out of range for many new riders. While you won't be winning many races with a modest 30 horsepower and 21 pounds of torque, the liquid-cooled engine, lightweight frame, and adjustable suspension keep this dual sport fun and exciting on any terrain. Now let's rev it up for number 4, the Suzuki DRZ 400. Arguably the best dual sport bike for beginners. Since 2000, this bike has been a fan favorite with its 4-valve, dual overhead cam, carbureted single-cylinder engine, producing 39 horsepower. And one of them can be yours for just $7,099. Its smooth power delivery and reliable build make it an exceptional choice for riders of all levels. Leaping to number 3, we have the BMW 310R, a balanced and reliable naked bike perfect for beginners. You might think that the BMW on this list would come with an extra heavy price tag, but you can find a new one for just $4,995. With its single-cylinder 313cc engine and comfortable seat height, the 310R offers smooth power and easy maneuverability. Its lightweight design allows for confident riding, making it a top pick for new riders. Roaring in at number 2 is the Yamaha MT-03, a relaxed and stylish naked bike that packs a punch. Its inline twin 321cc engine squeezes out 41.4 horsepower, giving a newer rider a little bit more of a spirited ride. Not bad for a bike that only costs around $5,000. The MT-03 features a low seat height and offers easy control and comfort for riders of all levels. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on winding roads, this bike is a joy to ride. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Honda 600 Shadow, an old bike that's perfect for new riders. Despite its production stopping in 2008, the Shadow 600 remains a favorite for its bulletproof engine and smooth clutch engagement. And not to mention its fantastic classic looks. With a bit of maintenance, this classic bike offers an exceptional learning experience for beginners. So there you have it, our top 8 beginner motorcycles that will ignite your passion for riding. Remember, start small and work your way up, and most importantly, have fun on the open road.